Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from OneDrive to another OneDrive account. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to your OneDrive storage and all the files you've uploaded there. After you sign in, wait a moment for the login process to complete. You'll then be directed to your OneDrive dashboard, which is your main workspace where you can view and manage all your stored files. This is where you'll begin the transfer process. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for the one labeled My Files and click on it. This opens up your OneDrive storage and displays all the files and folders you've saved. This is the area where you'll select which files you want to transfer to another OneDrive account. Kutin Top Pros, to need to select them first. At the top of your file list, you'll notice a header checkbox. Click on this checkbox to quickly select all the files stored in your OneDrive. This is a convenient way to grab everything at once without having to click each file individually. Here's something important to note. When you select all files this way, it also includes your personal vault. However, personal vault files aren't allowed to be transferred to another account due to security restrictions. So after selecting all files, look for the personal vault folder in your selection and click on it to deselect it. This ensures you're only transferring files that are allowed to be shared. Once you've selected the correct files, an action menu will appear at the top part of your screen. This menu gives you several options for managing your selected files. Look for the Share button in this menu and click on it. A Share window will pop up, which is where you'll specify who receives these files. In the Share window, you'll see a text field where you can enter the destination email address. Type in the email address of the OneDrive account you want to transfer the files to. Make sure you enter the correct email address to avoid sending your files to the wrong person. After entering the email, click the Send button to complete the process. And that's it. Your selected files will now be shared with the destination OneDrive account, allowing the recipient to access and save them to their own storage. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.